the Google Calendar to your website. I have in here my Google Calendar, and I have this one right. So let's head over and then click on this share icon right here and click on the settings. Now in here, I have in here my calendar, and I have in here the settings for my calendars. So I have in here this one. So what we can do in this case is we can head over and then share this calendar that we have right here. Like just for example, this calendar. So on this calendar right here, you can scroll down and here you can see this permission settings. So we have in here this public URL as well as embed. So just copy this right here, right click and then copy. And then once you copy it, just head over to your Wix website editor. Click on this add elements, and then from there click on this embed code. And then we have here this popular embeds. Just click on this custom element right here and then just add this right here. Now, once this custom element has been added, you should be able to see it on your site. So you can also click on this plus right here if you want to as well. Now in here, once it's been added, just click on this choose source. And in here, we have here the server URL. So just delete this and then add this right here and click on this update. So often some cases, it actually not show you this case. You can head over and click on the set attributes in here as well, and then set some attributes that will be actually supported by Wix. Alternatively, you can also add another embed code like HTML right here. You can click on this at the site right there. And then once this code has been added, you can paste it right here and click on this update option right there in order to show this right here. So once it's been added, you can see this calendar has now been added right here. And you can see the HTML settings. You can actually make this bigger if you want to as well. So for example, let's make this bigger. And we can now see in here our calendar onto our Wix. So that's how you add a Google Calendar to your website. Hope we helped.